We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
Hey, Gary here. Welcome back to another photo editing video of my channel. Have you always wanted to edit your night photography on your own but you do not know how? Don't worry, I got you covered. Today, we will be using Adobe Lightroom, the mobile version. And I'll be sharing with you a few settings preset for my photography edits. This is suitable for night photography. Also, I would suggest that you can also try this on any night photos. For example, a picture of you in the night market as they have nice lightings, which will bring out the effect even better. A small tip here, you can always hit pause to screenshot the settings if you need. Okay, let's get started. And that's it! Happy trying and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as I'll bring you more content every single week. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!